Andarki Namaskaram. A very warm welcome to all the dignitaries, our esteemed customers, partners, stakeholders who had taken their time out and are present here for the grand launch of our project Sumadura Vasavi Olympus. This is an iconic project which has taken its time, but we always believe whatever is worth the time is worth in gold and much more than that. Exactly 5 years ago, when we were back in Hyderabad, and we launched our first high-rise project, Sumadura Acropolis. There were a lot of apprehensions, a lot of thoughts which went into everyone's mind about us delivering it and trusting us whether this is possible or not. Today, after 5 years, we stand here fulfilling our promise with a lot of satisfied customers, and we thank you for that. We are standing here today again, recommitting ourselves that we'll do much bigger, better with Sumadura Vasavi Olympus. This is our commitment to the city of Hyderabad, to the city people of Hyderabad, that we'll keep doing better all the time. At Sumadura, you see a lot of the U which is being highlighted. As the host before me has put forward, COVID hit us bad and hit us without any notice. It was kind of a sudden shock for all of us. We couldn't go out, so the best thing we could do was to go in. Led by our team, led by able management, the priorities were taken care of. But the golden silver lining, or the biggest takeaway for us, was to go inside. What we would do different? What is the purpose? What is that we are going to deliver? Out of that exercise, which when the opportunity was put in front of us, that is where the core philosophy of delivering happiness was designed. And through that new purpose, we have reiterated, recommitted every aspect of our working, where we create happiness, we deliver happiness to our partners, to our stakeholders, to our customers, the customer being the prime. So whatever you see, this is a driving force for all our actions at Sumadura, at Vasavi, at every place that we take up any work henceforth. This is the takeaway from which we internally had a lot of iterations, lot of final things, and with all the deliberation, we are here presenting to you the most iconic, tallest towers in Greater Hyderabad limits. So, lot of things which are planned in the day, and for everything else, I would not take much of your time with the events coming in, with the promoters themselves coming in and giving you a lot of insight of this project. I welcome you all, and we thank you for the overwhelming response you have bestowed on us. Thank you again.